So here's Deco My Tree app, and basically let's just take a look how to use this app. It's going viral during holidays. As you can see, it's really climbing high during in social media charts during holidays. And the idea of that is that you can just send messages to your friends in a very nice and creative way. So you just create an account here. I will show you everything. You share the link to your tree with friends. Let your friends decorate your tree, decorate your friends' trees. Then you can just create your own tree. You can also decorate friends' tree. So you can go to friends' tree, choose a decoration, write a message, and done. Then they have top 100 trees dashboard, private messages. You can privately write messages to your friend, copy link to share. We let you share the link to your tree and all of that. So basically, here is how the app looks like. I need to say that actually there are some glitches sometimes with this app, especially during peak times in December. Sometimes it's just not working. I was just tapping on the screen and eventually it started to work. So basically, I just tap Make My Tree, and then here, Deco My Tree, how to use it. So basically, how it works: make your own tree, share your tree, and get decos. Visit friends' tree and start deco. So I just tap in here, and then I just select my name, and then I just wanna select a tree. So here. You need to select tree. It just says choose wisely because once you have made your choice, it's set in stone. So you just do that. Pick a tree popper. So you just have this star or all of this. Then you need to enter your email. Oh, you need to set up your password. Um, and then basically, yeah, share your tree to get your messages. So basically, here is your tree, and then you can just go and share it on Snapchat or whatever you have it. So this is your tree now, and then messages will be opened on the Christmas day. So that's what it is. So and then in the top left you just see the countdown to Christmas. That's how many days obviously left to Christmas, and then yeah, you can just share it, and then you can also share it. Share the link with screenshot. So you can just then take your screenshot. It's not that obvious. So here you have your link. In the top right, you just have your menu. And this is basically how you can send these messages to your friends. And where you discover those, you can just go to Snapchat. You can go to Instagram. So for example, if I try to go to Snapchat, so, and then I just want to add a link here. So this will be the link. And then I just want to attach it to Snap. So then I can just enlarge it or whatever. And then I can just basically share it and or add it to my stories and then send it to my story. And then basically it will be appearing in my story as you can see. So hey guys, app. Oops, that's not that. So basically it will appear in my story just like that. And then when people click on it, they will be able to go to website, and then they just tap start decorating, and then they can just select any item. Then they just go here, and then you just enter in your nickname, write your message here. So here you just write your message, more than 10 characters, less than 500. And then basically see buyers. While all messages are anonymous, in case of inappropriate messages such as profanity, so that's what it is. You can see that you can select that anyone can see it or everyone, or sorry, or only the person, and then you just tap decorate. And then basically, as you can see, I will receive that the message that I've got this message in the app. I mean, I just showing you around, and then I will see that app. I have two messages, and this message will be opened on Christmas Day, and you can't see the messages here. So then you can just delete the message. You can block the user. So that's basically the idea here. That's how you start to use this app. So it's pretty cool app. It's kind of, alternative to NGL app or some like other anonymous messages apps in this category. So that's just what it is. That's what you should know about this. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. And then yeah, you have your settings. You can go, you can delete your account if you don't like. You can make your tree public, or you can make a private tree. So only you can read the messages, other can no longer write messages to you. So that's basically what it is. And then you can see, yes, you can see you can delete messages, deleting messages on other trees, link copying difficulties. So that's just what you have here. And then you can contact, if you want to, you can just write a help at decomytree.com, and then this way you will just basically message them. And yeah, you can just change password or sign out, enable or disable notifications, and that's basically it. So that's the idea here, and as you can see, that's what you have here. So that's the app. It's pretty cool. So it's really going into the top charts. I don't know if you can upgrade it here, or you can yeah, just reveal these messages. There are a lot of reviews here. There are a lot of ratings. Some people are like, won't let me log in. Great concept, login problems. So just some people can't log in. So yeah, this app is quite glitchy. As you can see, couldn't see my messages. Some people just can't log in. App doesn't work. So the concept is great, but sometimes you just can't log in, and some people just share their links, but then it's just kind of then they can't log in on the Christmas Day, and it's not login or messages not displayed. So, it's quite a buggy app. Probably the developers just built it. They don't want it to maintain it whole year, because this app is just going viral during holidays. But yeah, pretty cool idea. Definitely go check out, share it with your friends. I think yeah, it's a great idea. So try it out.